Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to calculate the minimum price, maximum price, average price and total simple inventory management system. So I have getting the database. This I have created a database ibs.com. This is the table. You can see this is a table. Here these are IDs of the stock numbers, description, and these are the prices. So I want to display the price of minimum price, maximum price, and average price and total. These all things will be displayed. If you click on this, you will be able to see everything would be displayed. Minimum price, maximum price, and average price and total price. Very simple program. Okay, so let's see how to make this program step by step. Okay, first what you're going to do is you have to go to file, new project, select and Java application, click next. Here if it is create main class, you have to uncheck it. You have to here you have to name it as a project name stock management. Okay, hit finish button. So you have to create it successfully. Stock management, that's it. It has been created successfully. Where is the stock management? Here, this one. Here I'm going to get this one as a stock management. Here I'm going to get this one as a stock. Here I'm going to get it this one. I'm going to drag one label. Here I'm going to name this one as a stock management system. Click on this, properties, click on this, bold, 24 characters, close it. We have to font. I'm going to select this one, properties, font. I'm going to select this one, red. I want to get the separator. Select from here separator. I'm going to select from the separator. This separator. I'm going to select it from here. Let's select separator over here. I want to get the labels. So the label, this one should be min price. Select this one, properties, 24. We have to less, bold, after that you have to the same thing. I just Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. This one should be the min price, max price. After that Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. This is the average price. Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. This one should be the total. I need to calculate all the total of the product. Total. This everything you have done by the SQL. Okay, everything you have done by the SQL. So this all things I just select all, Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. Here we have to change all the colors. Select all the things. Hold on the shift key down and properties. Foreground as this color, red color. Okay. First one, right click, change variable LBL min, copy. Second one, LBL max. After that, third one, LBL average. After that, LBL total. That's it. After that, what I'm going to do is I want to, when the form is displayed, I want to get all the information will be displayed. So here what I'm going to say, I want to add the libraries. So I'm going to go to going to go to the Google and type it MySQL download jar. Click on this link, first link. Select the things is platform independent. You have to download, click on download the jar file. I already downloaded. Click on download jar file. After download it come as a zip file. You have to extract it. It will be if you extract, it will be getting as a normal folder. After that, let's back to my project. Select the libraries folder and right click, add jar folder. Here this how the, after you have to change it as a normal folder, it is coming like this. Here there will be the file jar. This file you have to import them. It successfully add the jar file over here. Now I am going to go to, for the source, I want to write the code over here, simple code for connecting the SQL. So this is a simple code. I'll be extending, don't worry, without wasting so much of time. So first, what I'm going to do is, these all things, no need them. Here you have a error. In order to solve the error, you type Java .sql this one. This package reside on all the SQL information. So you have to write the connection class, repair statement. It is nothing but making establish the connection. It is nothing but the writing the code. These two things are must. Okay. First you have to register the driver. So you have to write try catch block inside the try catch block. You have to register the driver of the MySQL. You have to write MySQL MySQL dot cj dot jdbc driver. This is a new driver to this is a new driver to register the driver of MySQL. After that, you have to your databases reside on where? Your driver databases reside on the XAMPP server. So here this is the database I have created, which is a IBS.com. So I have provided the name of the IBS.com. This is user credential of the XAMPP server. While you install XAMPP server, this is the root, this is the username, this is the password. Okay, you can do by this one in some XAMPP or MySQL connector. Both are same. There are many students ask on the command if I do the project on XAMPP server or MySQL workbench. Both are same. Okay, there is no difference. Okay, so okay, right. So here this when the if the connection is succeed, this you can get this message. So this message I no need them at the moment. So this one I just copy this one. When the constructor, you have to put the constructor inside the constructor. When the constructor is loaded, this method, this connection get loaded. Okay. After that, what I'm doing is I'm going to go to second one is a table. It's a table. Table update. You have to write the prepare statement. You have to select the minimum price, maximum price, and average price. After that, sum. You have to calculate all the prices of the sum total stock. So this is how you have to get the all the things. Okay, this is all the source code I provide you. Minimum price, maximum. So we have to get the minimum price. What's the minimum price? Okay, what is the maximum price? This is the maximum price, the minimum price, slow price. After that, this all the price are calculated and get the average price. This all the calculated and get the sum. This all the SQL functions are written. Sum in, if you put sum for this function, for this column sum, all the values should be calculated. The final amount will be displayed. If you put before the average amount will be calculated. If it is put maximum of the price, the maximum price is also calculated. If it's the minimum price will be calculated. This is how we are getting the things. Okay, so these are very simple. So here we have to write it here: minimum price, maximum price, average price, everything. So let's run on it. It's not display because we have to call it when the page is loaded inside the constructor, then only it will be displayed. Still error. Try and catch. Here it will be displayed successful. It's working perfectly well. I hope you guys you understood the things well. Thank you for watching.